Today we're going to talk about the Meguiar hydraulic line of our pit levelers, why they are the absolute safest dock leveler for your facility, why they offer the most options in size, length, and highest capacity, and why they're the lowest cost to own with the lowest maintenance costs. With all of our Meguiar dock levelers, structural integrity and the strongest bridge possible is our primary consideration as we build these products. And this leveler is no different, as we start with four 4-inch wide structural C-channels at the rear, spaced all the way to the corners, which allow for the strongest cross-traffic lifetime usage of this leveler. Those are capped with a structural angle that runs end to end, and then our hinge tube is placed across in a full-width compression-style hinge, which allows us to offer a lifetime warranty on this unit. And the rear hinge is the highest impacted point of your dock leveler, so that lifetime warranty is of great value in your facility. As we continue talking about the structure of the dock leveler itself, all of our levelers are built with a 4-sided box construction, which ties the unit together all the way around the deck, which gives you the longest lifetime and highest strength. So we have the rear channel, the integral toe guards on the side, and then the front header continuous across the front in one piece gives you that full strength. The toe guards, which I mentioned on hydraulic units, are standard as full range, full width operating toe guards. And then under the deck itself, we have a range of options depending on capacity, with a minimum C-channel all the way up through structural wide flange I-beam to support the deck and the load traffic over the lifetime of your dock leveler. We're going to talk about what makes the hydraulic unit unique in the product line. As the structure remains the same across our pit levelers, we're now getting rid of all the mechanical components, majority of the wearables, and using a fully hydraulic cylinder for the deck, a fully hydraulic cylinder for the lip, which then also gives you the most wide-ranging safety options, which we will discuss, but also multiple electrical voltage and phase options, which gives you flexibility in choosing this leveler for your facility. The cylinder itself is a dual-port cylinder, so we have fluid on both sides, and it's a true push and pull, and that adds to life of that cylinder. The deck itself has the attachment point from the cylinder and will divert the fluid to the lip. We can then control the lip independently with a push of a simple button. So we have that flexibility for below dock in-loading controls, which are made even easier with our iDock control panel as we look into options for integration, sequencing, and then also being able to install this equipment, pairing it with the cloud with our MyQ dock management software. When we say hydraulic levelers are the safest dock levelers on the market, there's some good reasoning behind that. First of all, with getting rid of all of the mechanical components, there's no free fall, there's no safety legs. We actually put a velocity fuse in line in the cylinder in the hydraulics, so should something catastrophic happen, an early departure, that system will seize up in place in 3 or less inches, preventing any sort of significant free fall. Beyond that, we also have the ability, since we're fully controlled, to use an emergency stop button in the control panel, which allows the dock attendant to press that button at any point and freeze this unit in cycle. It will not raise, it will not depart. This unit itself is equipped with an iDock control panel, which is a combination control panel to sequence all of the equipment at the dock into one dictated operation. So, for example, on this one, we do have our trailer restraint, our leveler controls. We do have the examples of we can control your overhead doors by a 3-push button, or a dock light, and a rotary fuse lockout, tagout, disconnect. So to operate this unit, one would simply push and hold the raise button. The leveler would raise to the top of the cycle. This unit is equipped with our 7-inch tall B2 barrier lip, which prevents runoff. At the top of that cycle, that lip is going to lay back and extend fully beyond the bumpers. Simply release the button, it's going to lower and rest in the trailer. And once loading's complete, to return all the equipment back to its safe stored position, you would simply press and hold the raise button until the lip is retracted beyond the bed of the trailer, release it, and the leveler will controlled descend into the lip keepers, put it back as part of your finished floor for cross traffic. Once you've done that and the leveler is stored, the control panel will understand and then release. Depending on your sequence, preferably, you can close the door and then release the trailer restraint, or any option that you should choose. For more information regarding the Meguiar hydraulic pit leveler product line, please contact your regional representative or visit wbmeguiar.com.